I was only 8 years old when my father died. I remember feeling my mother's pain when she cried. I'd never seen her cry before. Morning, Mum.
Good morning, baby. You're starting to look more and more like your dad every day, you know.
See, my dad was a known hero on the streets. All the men on the road feared him. But those that really knew him respected him. From all the stories I've heard, he was just that guy. Just trying to do everything he can so he can make it out of the hood, no matter the consequence. But see, my mum, she was his ride or die. She saw his vision and wanted that too. They lived on the same block, so she knew what he was about. She claims it was love at first sight. But see, I don't even believe in all of that, man.
Hey, pussy, where's my money? Where's my fucking money, bro? Where's my fucking money, bro? I'm not in with you. Bro, they got me. Hey, pussy, I'm the market, bro. Where's my fucking money, bro, you pay?
My dad wasn't very nice to people. Although he didn't show it to us, he was a drug dealer and a jack boy. He'd often set up drug deals, then get the buyers robbed by someone else, and then say that the client owed him money. I don't know how he convinced my mum to marry him.
Hello, miss.
Hi, you okay?
You alright?
Yeah, I'm alright.
What's your name?
Janet, yours?
My name's Carl, Janet.
Where are you
I'm from around here, man. And yourself?
from? Local as well?
You know what? It's starting to rain and that. Let me get your number quickly, Janet, so we can carry on this conversation.
Okay.
Oh.
I don't know how to work these stuff, but you know.
Thank you.
Just drop me a text.
I'll give you a call later, innit?
Alright then, bye.
Right.
The day my dad died, everything fell apart. My mum couldn't cope, and my brother went jail trying to provide for us all. See, we got my sister off to uni, so at least that's a good thing.
I'm going to take a nap. I have work in a few hours. You have a good day at college, okay?
Yeah, Mum. I'll see you later. See, I started hustling locally. The oldest liked me because of my dad's name. Walk on, baby.
Hi.
You saying, man? Yo, you saying my boy good?
These kids, the best man, I give him bare verbal on the net, yeah, like I won't duck them all down.
What, they still chatting shit?
Fam. What you saying, boy? You're not gonna respond?
Nah, man. They'll know what I got when they see me, get me? What you saying, Poops? You alright?
Yes, baby. Zach's been looking for you still. Have you not gotten rid of all the grub yet?
Of course, like what, man? Alright, let's fuck him now, man. We can deal with these dons later. Come on, man.
You saying?
You saying, bro?
You saying?
You saying, bro?
You telling me?
I got the job done for you, G.
You know.
Of course, man. That was light work. But we need a little sign.
What's that?
Couple straps.
Couple of them brazy ones.
Youngest blood. You know about straps, man. You know how to use one.
It's in my blood, bro. These KW dons are trying to chat shit about man's dad. I was shorting food for the local dealer, Sats. His uncle and my dad was close. He also had access to guns. Some local guys from the next spots were causing us issues.
Milk. Alright, is there anything else? Alright, I'm going in now. Bye.
265. Yeah, my bad. Oh, hey!
Oh yeah?
What are you saying, big man? Listen, come outside and...
Yeah!
What are you saying,
Man, come on, let's chat, bro. Take him out there, bro. Fam, what you got to say, bro? What you man? I put him down, bro. You fucking mad, fam. What you want? What the fuck, man?
I woke up to messages that David had been stabbed to death by a H from Block Boys gang. My dad was a known hitter on the streets. And that's what I'll become. They will fear me.
You're starting to look more and more like your dad every day, you know.
First trimming that, man. Come on.
This dickhead H was snapping his whereabouts. I knew exactly where he was.
You man telling me, man.
Baby!
Hey, my nigga.
You say it, man.
David was man's family, bro. I love for that.
Come on, bro.
Them man are heated right
Fuck them, man.
still.
Come on, bro. Them man had to learn they can't touch my brothers and get away with it. What on, big man?
Do you know what's happened to that?
Yeah, relax, man. Supposed to be good vibes, blood.
You man, chat to your boy, man. Chat to your boy.
Nah, but do we have a problem, though?
Wait. He mashed his work one time. Now he thinks he's that guy.
Listen, let me tell you something, yeah? I don't care who your dad is, you get me? I don't rate no man to put in work, fam. You ain't no jealous of thing, fam. It's calm. I just want a little fish when I see one, you get me?
Relax, man.
Wait, stop! No,
Colin, what?
It's not worth it. Stop. Leave it. It's not worth it.
Listen, let's bust up. Listen to your girl, bro. Listen to your girl, fam. Listen to your girl.
Craig's dad was a cold hitter back in the day. Craig's mum was a cute thing, cute in the face. In the hood where there's nothing but pain. Only birds and shattered dreams when they're stuck in the game. Had the first kid together, then they called him Jermaine. Yes. Then they had a daughter, then they called him Sinead. Then they had a miscarriage and it wasn't the same. And in a couple years, then they had Craig. Craig's dad got hit up on the dumb lip. Yes. They robbed the brick and the nigga slumped him. They pulled up, shot him in his pumpkin. Now it's a circle of revenge cause they loved him. Yes. 15 years later, now they're struggling. Woodies thought his mum's a clown, I'm out of jobs, he's juggling. Craig said, fuck school, they ain't getting no money. And niggas say, fuck the block, but the block is hugging him. Gangster love, rolling with his gangster clique. Gangster shit, rolling with his gangster bitch. OGs on the block, gave him packs to flip. But he wants to slide in the up and bang some sticks. Tried diss him on the net, he had enough of man. I bet he blows a nigga down from the butter gang. He went on Insta.